You've seen the photos, those neutral rooms that are supposed to scream luxury, but after the 10th beige sofa, it all starts to feel a little boring, right? What if the whole conversation around quiet luxury is missing the point? It's not about buying simple things with expensive price tags, it's a feeling. And today, we're going to show you how to actually create it. The term quiet luxury gets thrown around a lot, but it's often misunderstood. This isn't a trend about price tags. It's about creating a home that feels understated, elegant, and personal. The goal is to craft a calm, intentional atmosphere that feels luxurious without trying too hard. Forget creating a showroom. True quiet luxury is about making a personal sanctuary. While some designers say the all-neutral everything look is on its way out for 2026, the core ideas of this style, quality craftsmanship, timeless shapes, and calming palettes, are sticking around. The real secret isn't what you buy, but how you combine things to make your home feel grounded, restored, and completely yours. The foundation: warm, earthy neutrals. First things first, let's talk color. While some 2026 trends are leaning into bolder colors, the foundation of this look is all about warm, complex neutrals that feel inviting. This isn't the all-white everything trend from a few years ago. Think of shades like ecru, bone, terracotta, camel, and soft, earthy tones like olive green and tobacco. These colors create a perfect backdrop, letting your furniture and decor shine, while creating a calm atmosphere that feels like a high-end spa.
To make this work, you want to reduce the visual noise. Start with a warm neutral as your base, and then layer in other soft, saturated earth tones. For example, you could pair warm whites with honeyed oak and add touches of brass for a cozy, texture-rich look. The key is to choose muted versions of colors you already love. If you're a fan of greens or blues, try a dusty sage or a muted blue instead of brighter shades. This approach adds depth without being distracting.
The soul of the place: natural materials and texture. Quiet luxury is something you can feel, not just see. This is where natural materials get to be the star. Instead of plastic or polyester, think about materials that get better with age, like solid wood, linen, stone, and leather. These elements bring warmth, texture, and a sense of history into a room. Layering these textures is what really creates that deep feeling of comfort. Picture a living room with a dense wool rug, brushed linen curtains, and maybe a single chair in a soft boucle fabric. In the bedroom, you could layer a linen duvet with a cashmere or wool throw. Even your walls can add to this tactile feeling with finishes like lime wash or grass cloth wallpapers that have a handcrafted quality. These materials engage your senses and ground the space in something real. A simple wooden stool next to a bathtub or a handmade ceramic tray on a coffee table can add that timeless touch. Intentional choices. Less is more. At its heart, quiet luxury is a warmer, more personal take on minimalism. The goal is to avoid clutter and focus on a few high-quality, meaningful pieces. It's not about having empty rooms, it's about being intentional. Every item should have a purpose or just make you happy. This means choosing well-crafted furniture with clean lines over anything too ornate. Look for pieces with real joinery, not just glued-together particle board. The shapes are often softened with sculptural curves, which you can see in the trend of curved sofas and headboards that bring an emotional, soft feeling to a room. Lighting is also a huge and often overlooked part of the equation. The right lighting makes any space feel more luxurious. Go for soft, diffused light from lamps with warm bulbs. Around 2700K is perfect for a cozy, inviting glow. You can swap out clear glass shades for frosted ones or linen drums to make sure the light emanates rather than beams. Using layers of light, ambient, task, and accent will give your furniture and accessories a gorgeous, subtle glow. Creating a home that feels like a sanctuary is a journey, not a race. If you're inspired to bring this sense of calm and timeless elegance into your space, subscribe for more guides on intentional living. And let us know in the comments, what's your absolute favorite natural material to decorate with? Ultimately, quiet luxury is about creating a space that serves you. It's about finding serenity and a feeling of calm when your home supports your well-being. It's not about impressing anyone else, but about curating an environment with intention and personal meaning. By focusing on a warm, neutral foundation, embracing natural, tactile materials, and making thoughtful choices, you can create a home that is a truly timeless and elegant retreat. It's a style that whispers instead of shouts, proving that real luxury is all about how your home makes you feel.